Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get or how to install TikTok application on your Windows 11. So you can download TikTok app on your PC in two ways. The first of all, you can go to your Google Chrome account, then you can search here TikTok for PC. So once you click here, then you'll get this is not application, this is the web version, or you can also get the download option. So this is the one, and another it's really easy. You need to go Microsoft Store, so you can see Microsoft Store, or you can search here on the search bar, then type here TikTok. So I'm just click TikTok and then hit the enter. Then you can see here TikTok, this is the application. So simply tap or simply click on the get button, then you can see. But TikTok app, it's not the difference, so you can still use on the browser. So if you click open, so I already download this, then you can see allow. So everything is okay. So you can continue now. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.